Good evening, children. I hope you are all doing good during this lockdown. Our school is still on, and so is science. Science is there with us all the time. Today I have planned a list of few activities that can be performed right in front of you. In fact, you can plan these activities and do it at home. We do not have to be dependent on the labs available in school or the apparatus available in school for doing these experiments. Let us see the first experiment. Here I have a bowl with colored water inside it. What I am going to do is, I have taken a glass tumbler, put a tissue paper inside it, and I am going to immerse this glass tumbler inside colored water. Let us wait and see what's going to happen. According to us, this tissue paper should get wet also. But when I take it out, oh, it's amazing to see that this tissue paper is dry. Now let me do this with another glass tumbler. Here is another glass tumbler, here is another tissue paper inside it, and I dip this glass tumbler inside colored water. Now just wait for the result. I take it out and oh, I see my tissue paper has got wet from the sides. Why has it got wet now? Why was it dry before? We need to think about that. And I'm going to come back to this after a while. Let me just perform this second activity for all of you. Here I have planned an activity to show you immiscible liquids. And you can make beautiful designs and patterns at home with immiscible liquids too. Here is a glass jar. I'm going to tilt it. I am putting honey inside it. This is honey gone into the glass jar. Then I am going to put this liquid, detergent soap. After this, I am going to put colored water. This glass tumbler has red colored water inside it. Now, I plan to put some oil. Children, when I put this glass jar over here, you will be able to see 4 separate layers of liquids. These are immiscible liquids which do not mix with each other. So you can make beautiful designs in a glass jar and you can decorate this glass jar and keep it somewhere in your house. Now, let me quickly show you another activity that you all will be able to perform at home. You'll all be able to do electrolysis of water. It is a very simple apparatus. We need a glass jar. We put water in it. I have put 2 sharpened pencils in it that are going to act as electrodes. And what I need is a battery, which I'm going to attach at the top to the pencils. And children, after a while you'll see amazing results. You will see gas bubbles getting released at the 2 electrodes or the graphite pencils. This is electrolysis of water which you can do very comfortably at home. Let me quickly come back to my first activity which I showed you. When I took this bowl of colored water, why did tissue paper in one jar get wet and why did it not get wet in the other? Look, the answer is here. Here is a glass tumbler without holes. Here is a glass tumbler with holes. In this glass tumbler, when we had put tissue paper, the area over here is not empty. It has air. So when we dip this glass tumbler inside the water, air does not let the tissue paper get wet with water. But in this case, the air gets a chance to escape from these 2 holes and thus the water rises up and the tissue paper gets wet. Now I would leave an interesting question to all of you and I would like you to give me the answer for it. I have a glass here of water I'm going to put ice in it. Now children, if I want to pick up this ice with this thread, I'm not able to pick up this ice. However, I'll be able to pick up this ice with the thread after I pour something on it. And this is common salt. I'm going to put it over the ice and I'm going to wait for a while. After I put this salt on the ice and over the thread, I am waiting and I hope I'll be able to pick up the piece of ice with this thread. Try it at home. You will be able to do it and let me know the answer to it. Thank you.